of course, my two kids, Joaquin and Isabella. I get my strength for them, and that fuels and gives me drive, you know, to work really hard for them. Most especially for the future of my two kids.
My next question is, siyempre live streaming. So, hindi may iwasan. Minsan may mga meme comments during live. Paano may na-handle yung mga ganyan?
For the mean comments sa mga bashers during live, talagang marami, lalo na when you flex product. Syempre, they need to know yung product information. Sometimes, they would demand so much. Ito pala yung flex mo, magpapaflex na silang ng iba, tapos nagagalit sila sometimes if you don't read their comments right away. So, wala. Parang more of, kasi trabaho mo to, you should be able, you know, to deliver really well. And I love what I do. So this is really more of parang hindi rin naman naglalayo sa hosting because I engage with people from different walks of life. So I interact with them daily. So it's really more of being patient pa talaga in answering all of their inquiries.
So walang instance na may pinatulad ka?
Meron naman, pero medyo sarcastic naman. Pero hindi naman ng away na parang, wait lang po, sandali lang po, isa-isa lang po, something like that. And also, I have my very supportive team with me. So when I do live sell, I also want to give credit to those people, you know, who also work tirelessly with me. My team, Miss Kat, the Iconify team, sila CJ, David, sila Dave, also, they're my team ever since 2023 pa po, up until now. Isang group kami na nagla-live.
My last question is, actually hindi question, ano na yung mga tips mo sa mga mami out there na interesado maging live seller?
So ngayon, kasi nakita nyo in rin, there are a lot of celebrities who does live selling now. Not just celebrities, even influencers, and even mga mommies. So if you want to start, make sure that you really like live selling because it entails a lot of sacrifice, effort, dedication, and commitment, you know, to be able to live sell. Because sabi ko nga, ang hirap niya, pagod po yan talaga. So to be able to reach those kind of numbers, like what our host said a while ago, like the 20 million, yung mga ganyang numbers, it's really hard. So you need to put a lot of, you know, your strength, your heart into it, and kailangan maging passionate about it. So before jumping into that, I advise is to really assess yourself. What's your objective? Why are you doing this? What is your purpose behind live selling? Ako kasi, this is really my passion. I really like live selling. I'm enjoying what I do. Gusto ko siya talaga. And whenever I do it, I feel happy. Most especially serving all our consumers, maybe from Shopee or TikTok.
Wow. Ito na lang, pahabol na lang. Before you decide na in the live sell may isang brand, ano yung process? Can you walk to us?
So first things first, you have to have your own account. Either for Shopee or for TikTok. And sometimes they will connect you to an agency like Iconify Media who does the live stream for you. So they have complete studio setup equipment and people who will and team who will help you all throughout the process, and they will also connect you to big brands to be able to live sell their products. So again, ibang side naman po yung Facebook wherein you will sell your products kasi si Facebook is really more of mind basis. So for Shopee and TikTok, it's really more of digital platform now wherein they have yellow basket and orange bag. So you can check out your products there and then direct na yan sa mga brands. So medyo complicated, but then again, if you like the live sell, Iconify Media is here to help you.
Congratulations.
Total amount ng nabenta mo, percentage yung ano sa'yo, or per product, or total amount ng benta?
Iska per product. Per product po.
So, each product, yun yung commission mo?
Yes.
May commission na per product?
So parang affiliate.
Okay, bongga. Pwede kaya pagpatulong.
So there's also affiliate marketing. So we also did this press conference, you know, to be able also to spread awareness about affiliate marketing also, wherein they can also do this as a passive, do this as, you know, a sideline, or if you want to have a passive income. Lalo na sa mga mommies dyan, that's actually, of course, one of my advocacies to help single moms, kasi sila rin yung mga unang lumapit sa akin nung pandemic to help them sell their products, kasi nga nahirapan sila. So sa mga mommies dyan, if they want also extra income, they need also to learn yung affiliate marketing, kasi maganda siya. Affiliate marketing is when you affiliate, you make a video of that product, you put a yellow basket or orange bag on your account, tapos when people check out from your video, split commission. So walang anything, mag-video ka lang, kikita ka na.
Ay, wala yung
face. Yeah. Ngayon may bagong rules and regulations. May face na po dapat. Ngayon na-violate na pag walang face. Dati po kasi walang face yung ibang nahihiya. So ngayon, kailangan na po may tao yung video.
But anyway, na-mention ni Roger doon sa last press ko na hanggang 2 kids lang kayo. Pino-confirm mo yun, 2 kids lang talaga.
Because of my new complicated pregnancy with Isabella, I had blood transfusion po kay Isabella. And 2 CS na pre-eclampsia. Pre-eclampsia po kasi medyo delikado sa pre-eclampsia. Hindi medyo delikado sa pre-eclampsia. And polyhydramnios, hypertension, gestational diabetes, cardiac arrhythmia. So, ang dami po talaga. So, tinanong ko po yung OB ko sa age daw po. Factor po, age. Matanda na rin ako. Nag-baby.
Salamat, Siya.
Thank you po.
How do you save yourself from joy buyers? Joy buyers.
Usually we just keep on announcing to not cancel their orders. Since after checking out from the basket or bag, it's been actually transferred already to the company or the brand. So they pack the orders right away. So kawawa naman sila kuya if they will cancel and then they pack the orders already. So we just keep on announcing over and over again not to cancel their orders. Yung My Joy Miners kasi it's I guess a platform for Facebook.
Okay. Pero like, as a seller ba, do you feel na up to what extent yung responsibility mo as a seller? Parang feeling mo ba even after they have purchased,
Yes.
mayroon pa rin ganong klase?
Yes, I make sure that they're able to receive their products and package really well without any damage. So I announce it over and over again during the live that if you have any problems, you contact the seller and again, you also message me. As long as binili nila yung products sa live ko, I will help them all throughout the process. And that's another advantage if they check out on my live. I will help them all the way. So yung may mga iba rin ako natulungan na I go directly to the brand and tell them, oh, there's a problem. Ayusin mo yan with this username.
Okay.
So we act right away. The team also, my team also is always check rin sa inbox. So I don't just sell, I make sure that hanggang makuha nila yung product, naging happy sila.
And last question is, do you also plan to introduce your own products or may mga, ano yung next?
There are a lot of offers from certain, brands, partnerships, and manufacturers. But again, as I said earlier, I want to focus more on my life selling big brands as of now. But I'm not closing my door. So if there's an opportunity and it's perfect timing, malaki na yung mga anak ko, why not? Because it's a very tedious process.
Thank you. Congrats.